Hi friends, I made Fondant Easter Bunny paw feet. If you want to learn how to make them, stay tuned and watch.
For the bunny feet, I roll out some white fondant. And this is a cookie cutter that has roughly edges on it. It's just a small heart. And I'm just going to stamp out some of these. And then I take the edge of it and I put it onto the heart and I cut it in half. And it's not going to be a perfect straight line, so I'm just going to eyeball it the best I can and just cut through. And then I will have to form it with my fingers to make it look like a paw. So I want to round the edges a little bit at the end, kind of like an ice cream cone, but then make it a little bit more roundy. And I just do that with each one. If you have a teardrop cookie cutter, that would work too. But I kind of like the ruffle edge on this one. And I don't know if they have ruffle edges on the teardrops or not. Maybe they do, I'm not sure. So I'm just forming them all like little feet. And this is the pads of their feet, so it's not the front. And then I'm going to roll some pink fondant. A light pink color, I like that color for Easter. And these will be the pads. So this is a very large tip. It's a piping tip, and I'll put the link down below where you can get it. And basically you just put a bunch of holes in the fondant with the tip. And there's some glue, that's edible glue. It's a Wilton, or you can make your own. I'll put the link down below how to make your own. And just with a little paintbrush that's food safe, I am going to put these on the pads of the feet. And then I go back in and I just shape them on and I press them down and shape them so they come down a little bit so they look like real pads that would be on a bunny's foot. Now this is a tool I have, it's a fondant tool, or you can use the end of a paintbrush and make the little marks there, so that way when you put the glue in here, the edible glue, you can just drop in the little pearls. And these are the sprinkle pearls, and it just looks really cute. And I just press them down. So if I didn't have this tool, I would just use the end of my paintbrush that I have there, and that would work too.
Thanks for watching. And this week I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these, and I make little bunny ears and a lot of bunny treats this week. So I hope you can watch all my videos right before Easter.